there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm just going to teach you the repeated part to One Last Time by Ariana Grande. So this is just the thing that runs through the whole of the song except for the little bridge part at the end, and I'll just cover that bit as well. It really is really repetitive and you just play single notes in each hand, so this is going to be very suitable for beginners. It's going to be quite easy. So I've left the other Ariana Grande tutorials I've made down below as well, so go and check those out. So here's middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. This one's in the key of A flat major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A flat major. So they're the notes we're going to be using. So the left hand is colour coded blue and the right hand is colour coded orange. So we're going to do the right hand first. So the notes are A flat, B flat, C, A flat, D flat, C, F, E flat F, E flat F, A flat G. I'll do that again. A flat, B flat, C, A flat, D flat, C, F, E flat F, E flat F, A flat G. Okay, so the left hand then, we start with this low F. So we go F, G, A flat, we hold that, and then we play D flat, C, D flat, C, D flat, F, E flat. Do that again. F, G, A flat, D flat, C, D flat, C, D flat, F, E flat. So I'm going to very slowly put this together now. So the left hand is like harmonizing with the right hand. So we play the F and the A flat together, G and B flat, A flat and C, and then you keep this note held down in the left hand whilst the right hand plays. So I'll do that again. And this is where we have the D flat and F together, C and E flat together, and again, F and A flat together, and then E flat and G together. So I'll do that again. And repeat it. So that is honestly repeated from the very start of this song all the way until this bridge section. So the bridge section comes in after the second chorus, and she's singing, I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest. I'm going to teach both hands at the same time. So you're going to play an F first in the left hand, and then C's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then an A flat, and then we play A flat and E flat together. You play 5 E flats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a C, and then the left hand you come play a D flat with this F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E flat, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E flat. So I'll do all this again from the F and the C. It. And then into this again. to the end. So there's only 2 parts. So I'll do the bridge part again. So those are the 2 parts you need to play this song all the way through, and it really is that repetitive and simple. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.